Hello and welcome to the Voodoo free video for Monday, October 14th. This is David, and we are close to getting to upside targets from this Voodoo Lines roadmap that was established to the upside back here last October when we had this multi-month pullback into the Voodoo fire line and turned back up. And it was a roadmap that was kept intact when we eventually climbed above the first second degree tree line, and then the second degree tree line to the upside, kept intact up from that tree line above both of these snow lines. And while there's some small degree little skylines between this this lower snow line here and the upper fire line, which is not too far above today's high of the day and our ultimate destination, there's really not much to stop this move. Add to that the fact that these fire lines can have some magnetic pull, and it might not be too long before we're up here at this 59.25 Voodoo fire line. Now back below the 56.57 snow line, which has held as support over the past couple of weeks, and maybe that idea would be put on hold. But for now, as I said, the target and the roadmap towards it remain intact. Now, reaching that target doesn't mean that the upside is done, but it certainly could be. And so there should be some caution as we're approaching it. But just like support at this fire line established a roadmap towards the upside, getting to and holding above, as long as we get above the 59.25 level, would establish a fresh roadmap to the upside. So to that end, right, prior to this afternoon, this 59.25 was the highest Voodoo Lines level that existed for the S&P 500, but we will be rolling out this update, which still keeps the fire line and all of these recent levels below at the same spot, but adds new levels above, so that if we find support above that 59.25 level and it holds, we can map out some targets to the upside. So more on that if and when we find support above. But for now, just know that we're closing in on targets, and if we exceed them and start a fresh roadmap to the upside, we will have fresh levels available. I hope you found that useful, and I will see you at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.